Hello, welcome back to English Tales Pod. I'm Anna. I'm very happy you are here today. This is day 5 of our 30 Days English Shadowing Challenge. Today's topic is talking about your hobbies. Remember, listen carefully, repeat after me, speak slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Every sentence you repeat helps you become a better English speaker. Are you ready? Let's begin. Listen, I have many hobbies. Repeat, I have many hobbies. Listen, my favorite hobby is reading. Repeat, my favorite hobby is reading. Listen, I enjoy reading books. Repeat, I enjoy reading books. Listen, I read every evening. Repeat, I read every evening. Listen, reading helps me relax. Repeat, reading helps me relax. Excellent. Let's continue. Listen, I like listening to music. Repeat, I like listening to music. Listen, music makes me happy. Repeat, music makes me happy. Listen, I listen to music every day. Repeat, I listen to music every day. Listen, I enjoy pop music. Repeat, I enjoy pop music. Listen, sometimes I sing my favorite songs. Repeat, sometimes I sing my favorite songs. Very good. Now another hobby. Listen, I enjoy drawing. Repeat, I enjoy drawing. Listen, I draw pictures on weekends. Repeat, I draw pictures on weekends. Listen, drawing is fun. Repeat, drawing is fun. Listen, I like using colorful pencils. Repeat, I like using colorful pencils. Listen, drawing helps me feel calm. Repeat, drawing helps me feel calm. Great job. Let's practice another hobby. Listen, I like playing sports. Repeat, I like playing sports. Listen, I play football with my friends. Repeat, I play football with my friends. Listen, exercise is good for my health. Repeat, exercise is good for my health. Listen, I also enjoy walking in the park. Repeat, I also enjoy walking in the park. Listen, fresh air makes me feel good. Repeat, fresh air makes me feel good. Excellent. Now let's answer some questions. Listen first. Then repeat. What is your favorite hobby? Repeat, what is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is reading. Repeat, my favorite hobby is reading. Do you like music? Repeat, do you like music? Yes, I do. Repeat, yes, I do. Do you play sports? Repeat, do you play sports? Yes, I do. Repeat, yes, I do. When do you read books? Repeat, when do you read books? I read books every evening. Repeat, I read books every evening. Do you enjoy drawing? Repeat, do you enjoy drawing? Yes, I enjoy drawing very much. Repeat, yes, I enjoy drawing very much. Wonderful. Now, let's practice a short story. Listen first, then repeat. Hello, my name is Anna. I have many hobbies. My favorite hobby is reading books. I read every evening before I go to bed. I also enjoy listening to music. Music helps me relax after a busy day. Sometimes I draw pictures. I like using colorful pencils and notebooks. On Saturdays, I play football with my friends. After the game, we walk in the park. We talk together. We laugh together. I enjoy spending time with my friends. My hobbies make me happy. They help me learn new things. They help me stay healthy. Everyone has different hobbies. What is your favorite hobby? Excellent. Now, shadow with me. Speak together with my voice. Don't stop. Try to copy my pronunciation. Ready? Let's go. I have many hobbies. My favorite hobby is reading. I enjoy reading books. I read every evening. Reading helps me relax. I like listening to music. Music makes me happy. I listen to music every day. I enjoy drawing. Drawing is fun. I like using colorful pencils. I play football with my friends. Exercise is good for my health. I enjoy walking in the park. Fresh air makes me feel good. My hobbies make me happy. I love learning new things. Reading helps me learn. Music helps me relax. Sports keep me healthy. Drawing is creative. I enjoy my hobbies every week. Fantastic. You finished day 5 of our 30 days English shadowing challenge. You are improving every single day. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. Small steps every day will make a big difference. I will see you tomorrow for day 6. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
To get the PDF file and the audio version of this episode, please visit the link in the description or join our English Tales Pod Telegram channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English stories and learning content. See you in the next episode.